Hi, Dr. Benkowski and I want to make, or we are making a series of small videos. We're going to send you to walk you through your brand new health journey. And I'm going to start off with unboxing the Reset that you probably have already received in the mail. So here's the box that you get. It's from Plexus. It says Reset on it, and it says Healthy Starts Here. Let's have a look. What's in here? It's like Christmas. 1, 2, 3, go. Right here, there's a QR code that gives you information. And there's also a booklet that's inside that actually has got a lot of stuff about what are the items, how to mix them up, basically all the support you need is right here. However, we're going to be giving you support along the way. So you're going to have a lot of sources of information, but this is basically really easy. There's 3 boxes inside, day 1, day 2, and day 3. It's kind of like painting through the numbers, right? It's really easy. So I'm going to pull out box number 1, and box number 1, the ingredients are the same in 2 and 3, so I'm not going to unbox all of them, but we're going to take a look what's in this box. And on the back of the box, it says daily routine and actually walks you through everything in the box and when you take it. Okay, it's really simple, step by step, makes it easy. So what's in the box? First of all, not in particular order of what you're going to be taking, but this is a packet of Active, which is the energy drink. I'm going to put that right here. Okay, that stuff is amazing. The cornerstone of these products, this is what they call the pink drink, but it's a slim hunger control. It's black cherry, great stuff. This is Restore. This is something you take before bedtime. It's one of my favorites. And the other one of my favorites is Hydrate. Now this is Lemon Hydrate. They come in different flavors. This is amazing stuff. Okay. Also in the box, you have a Smart Snack bar. I'm going to put that there. Let's see what else. You have collagen soup. Dr. Benkowski is going to walk you through how to enhance that. Actually, this is the tomato collagen soup. Actually, it's very, very tasty. I'm going to put that right here. You have your collagen bone broth, okay, and Dr. Benkowski is going to walk you through how to enhance this and make that taste great. And of course, your lean whey. This is milk chocolate flavor, and Plexus actually has these in other flavors as well. But right now, you've got the milk chocolate, and this is a good meal replacement. So that's everything in the box. And now you'll notice that, again, you have box 2, and it says keep going. It's encouraging to you the whole time. And day 3, finish strong. Again, this is a 3-day kind of a cleanse, okay? And everything that's in this box is also in these 2. Lots of information to go through. And on the next video, we're going to walk you through all the parts and basically how to start your journey and how to make this really a great program for you. I'm excited for you. And so let's go to the next video.